Hello friends, we are in the module number 1 and in this session we are going to discuss about the construction and working of a calomel electrode under electrochemistry chapter. Let us see what are these reference electrodes. Reference electrodes are the electrodes which are used to determine the electrode potential of any unknown electrodes. There are two types of reference electrodes, which are primary reference electrodes and secondary reference electrodes. Primary reference electrodes should have studied in your 10th standard or other classes. What are these primary reference electrodes? Example is standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode is a reference electrode which is used to determine the electrode potential of any unknown electrodes. Then why we are not using this primary reference electrodes? Why are we using secondary reference electrodes? That is because in the case of the standard hydrogen electrode, it is difficult to maintain the concentration of the hydrogen gas at unity. And the hydrogen gas present, because of the hydrogen gas, the platinum may get poisoned. Because of the impurities present in the hydrogen gas, the platinum may get poisoned. And the next reason is the electrode potential will be varying with the variation of the temperature. So because of these reasons, the primary electrodes are not used. That is the standard hydrogen electrode. Secondary reference electrodes came into the existence. What are these secondary reference electrodes? These are the electrodes having constant and reproducible potential. These are the electrodes having constant and reproducible potential, and these are used to determine the electrode potential of any unknown electrodes. Examples for this category are calomel electrode and silver chloride electrode. We will be discussing about the construction and working of the calomel electrode. The calomel electrode, it will be consisting of at the bottom of the U-tube there will be a presence of a mercury will be there, and on the mercury there will be a presence of a mercury and mercurous chloride. The commercial name of the mercurous chloride is calomel, so the electrode is named as a calomel electrode. And on that there will be a presence of a solid KCl. On solid KCl there will be a presence of either 0.1 normal solution or normal solution or saturated solution of a KCl. Decinormal, normal or saturated solution of KCl will be present at the top of the electrode. There will be a presence of a side tube that is used to fill the KCl solution, and there will also be a presence of a salt bridge to maintain the concentration of the ions, right? And the calomel electrode, it can act as both anode as well as the cathode depending on the nature of the other electrodes. When the electrode is acting as a cathode, the cell reactions are, see what will happen in the electrode. Hg2Cl2 will be there, which accept the electrons and will be forming 2Hg plus 2 moles of chloride ions. When the electrode is acting as anode with respect to the other electrode, the cell reactions are just reverse and right. 2Hg plus 2Cl minus gives a Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons. So the electrode can act as both anode as well as cathode depending on the nature of the other electrode. This is about the diagram of the calomel electrode. See at the bottom there will be a presence of a mercury, and on that there will be a paste of mercury and mercurous chloride, and on that there will be a presence of a solid KCl, and on the solid KCl there will be either normal, decinormal or saturated solution of the KCl will be there. There will be a presence of a side tube that is used to fill the solution, and you should write either a presence of salt bridge or the porous membrane at the bottom of the electrode. You should write either the porous membrane at the bottom, or you should show the presence of a side tube. Side tube should be there, I mean the salt bridge. You should show any one here, right? So the overall reaction in the calomel electrode is 2Hg plus 2Cl minus gives Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons. The electrode potential of the calomel electrode is given by the Nernst equation. E is equal to E0 plus 0.0591 by N into log of chloride ion concentrations. So it is clear from this equation that the potential will be depending on the concentration of chloride ions. When we use 0.1 normal KCl solution, the potential of the electrode is found to be around 0.33 volts, and when we use the 1 normal solution of the KCl in the electrode, the potential of the electrode will be around 0.28 volts, and when we use saturated solution of the KCl in the electrode, the potential of the electrode is found to be 0.2422, right? So depending on the KCl solution used, the potential of the electrode will be there. And what are the advantages of the electrode means it is easy to construct, okay, and the potential does not vary with the variation of the temperature. Like in the hydrogen electrode, the potential will be varying with the variation of temperature, right? Okay, here there is no problem of variation of the temperature, right? And also if there is an interruption in between electricity, once again when the power comes back, you will not see any change in the values. It will come back to the accurate value only. That's why it's called as the potential will be, they are having a constant and reproducible potential. Okay, they will be giving a constant and reproducible potential. Okay, the potential will not be vary with any of the changes that is happening surrounding the electrodes. And applications are these electrodes, when they are combined with the platinum electrode, it is used to measure the potential of the solution. And when these electrodes are combined with the glass electrode, it will be used in the determination of a pH. Okay, so here you have to remember the points like what are secondary reference electrodes means. These are the electrodes which are used to determine the any electrode potential of any unknown electrodes. Okay, and they are having constant and reproducible potential. Okay, coming to the calomel electrode, just remember the things which are present in the electrode. Mercury, okay, mercury, paste of mercury, mercurous chloride, solid KCl, either normal, decinormal or saturated KCl, side tube, salt bridge or porous membrane. Okay, and there will be a platinum wire at the center, okay, which is used for external electrical contacts. And the electrode can be act as both anode and cathode depending on the nature of the other electrodes. Okay, you must write the reactions. When it is working as anode, show the liberation of electrons, and when it is working as a cathode, show the acceptance of electrons. Okay, and advantages are it is easy to construct and the potential does not vary, right? Applications are it is used in the determination of potential and pH when it is combined with the platinum electrode and glass electrode respectively, right? So this is about the construction and working of the calomel electrode, and we will be meeting with the new topic in the next session. Until then, thank you.